Artificial intelligence is everywhere today. Whether it's for school, work, or even entertainment, I'm sure you have heard about AI being used in one way or the other. If you are wondering what all this hype is about and how you, too, can get started with using AI tools, this video is for you. Imagine having a personal assistant who writes for you, creates images, and even edits your videos. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what AI tools today are capable of. The best part is that you don't even need to be a tech expert to learn how to use them. Even as a beginner, you can quickly adapt to AI platforms. In this video, I will share with you 3 such AI tools. Using these powerful tools, you can create content much faster. One of the tools I will share even lets you train your own AI models. And all this is without having to spend any money. These tools are absolutely free to use as a beginner. First, we'll cover ChatGPT, an AI chatbot that can do a wide variety of tasks for you, including being your writing assistant. Secondly, we'll go over Google Teachable Machine. This is an AI that enables you to train an AI model using your own images and audio within minutes. That's right, you will use AI to create another AI. Finally, we'll try out Runway, which is a tool for AI-powered video generation and editing. So, without further delay, let's get started. The first AI tool is probably the most well-known of the 3, and I'm sure you've already heard about it. ChatGPT is like a personal assistant who never gets tired. So, for a beginner who hasn't used it before, it's actually pretty easy to get started. You don't even need an account anymore. Simply go to chatgpt.com and you can start right away by asking questions. Whether you need help brainstorming ideas, drafting emails, or even writing code, ChatGPT is there to help you out. It's important to know that ChatGPT isn't just for one specific task. Anyone who wants to save time and get things done can make use of it, no matter what their field is. Simply ask the question, and the AI will generate a quick response within seconds. So, as you can see on the page, there are many additional options available for you as well. You can use voice mode to simply talk to the AI instead of typing in your question. You can add attachments like a Word document or an image that you want to be analyzed. If you want the AI to browse the internet, simply click on Search before entering your question. The Reason button lets you use an AI model that's even more advanced. These are all just the options available before you even sign in. If you want your conversations to be stored and referenced in the future, simply sign up for an account. You can also use your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account to sign in, or even just your phone number. So, just to show you an example, have you ever played the snake game as a kid? Well, now you can ask ChatGPT to code the game for you literally. I asked ChatGPT to give me the code for the snake game, and this was the response. Now, you simply have to copy this code and execute it, and you will be able to play the snake game. All this would have sounded absolutely crazy just a few years ago, but now you can do it in seconds. ChatGPT also offers free plugins. These are specialized AI agents trained for a specific purpose. For example, there is a plugin for creative writing or one for data analysis. There is even one called Dr. GPT, which provides personal health assistance. So, if you are someone who wants to save time and effort, this AI chatbot is perfect for you. If you want to get even more advanced features and have more usage, there is a subscription available. But for most people, the free basic version will be more than enough. Google Teachable Machine. This next AI I will share is unique, and it might be the first time you hear something like this is even possible. Google Teachable Machine actually lets you train an AI model using your own personal data. And the best part, you don't have to do any coding. So while ChatGPT lets you generate code, this next tool takes everything one step further. You can directly train the AI to recognize certain images or sounds without having to write a single line of code. As a beginner, this is a great way to learn how you can train machine learning models. Now, you don't just have to use other people's models, you can create one yourself. So how exactly does it work? Here, you are given a few options to choose from for your new project. You can pick either an image project, an audio project, or a pose project. If you have already done machine learning before, you can even open an existing project from your drive or a file. The imaging project will teach your artificial intelligence algorithm based on the images you send. The audio project will teach it based on 1-second long sounds. You can upload these or record them using your microphone. Finally, there is the pose project, which will also use images to teach the algorithm. The difference is that the pose project will teach the model about various poses instead of identifying something like a cat or a dog. As a beginner, you can start with the image project, as it's the easiest to get into. Once you click on it, you can pick between a standard or embedded image model. This simply depends on the hardware you will be using. In our case, we will use the standard model. Now, the next part is actually uploading your images. Once you click on the standard image model, you will be taken to a page that shows 2 classes. You can upload images to each class so the AI can identify their differences. You can even add another class, but we want to keep it simple. For our example, we won't do cats and dogs since it's overused. Let's say you want to teach your AI model the difference between a smartphone and a laptop. Under Class 1, I will upload images of smartphones. Under Class 2, I will upload images of laptops. After uploading 4 images to each class, I will now train the model. This can take a few minutes. Once it is finished, you can test out your model under the preview section. Using the file option, you can upload a completely new image of a laptop or smartphone that you did not use in the training data. I uploaded an image of a laptop, and almost immediately, the AI guessed with 100% confidence that it belonged to Class 2. Since I am satisfied with the final model, I can now export it. You are provided with the entire code that was used for creating your AI model, and this can now be used by anyone who wants to differentiate between a smartphone and a laptop. As crazy as that sounds, you can download the model and also upload it to TensorFlow. So now, you have learned how to train your own AI model from scratch, and you didn't have to write a single line of code or spend any money on it. The uses for this AI platform are endless. Google Teachable Machine can be used for education, business, or even personal creativity. You can train the model on your personal data and then use it in apps, websites, or smart devices. Let's say you run a business and you have separate categories of products. You can train the model on some of your products, and then whenever there is a new product, the AI will be able to recognize immediately which category it belongs to. This will be useful for running e-commerce platforms where everything needs to be immediately sorted. The best part is that you don't need to be an expert. Anyone can get started with this AI. The final AI-powered tool we will learn about is Runway. It simplifies video editing and allows you to generate content from scratch and add special effects using AI. So, to begin, simply go to runwayml.com and click on Get Started. You can sign up for a new account or use your Google or Apple account to sign in. Once inside, you will see this front page. You can see options for generating images, audio, or video. However, since we are using the free plan, we will focus on generating a video. To get started, click on Start a New Session. You will see the option to drop an image or video. Here, you can actually use another AI platform like ChatGPT first to generate an image from scratch, and then use Runway to convert it into a video. This is because image generation on Runway requires a subscription. You can also just use any images that you already have. To keep it simple, I will upload an image of a car on the road. You can choose whether you want the image format to be landscape or portrait. Once you are done uploading it, simply describe your shot. So for example, I want the video to show a car driving. So my prompt will be, the car drives across the road. I want the video to be 5 seconds, and I will use the turbo model, which is the best one available as a free user. Note that you can also add more frames to your video and make it up to 10 seconds, but I'm keeping it simple for this example. After I have chosen all the settings, I will click Generate. Within a minute, a 5-second video is generated, which actually shows the car driving on the road. There is only one problem though, it's going backward. But this isn't a big issue, as we can actually edit the video. In the bottom left corner, you can see the Actions button. If you click on this, you will see various options for editing your video. You can edit or expand your video. With enough credits left, you can even upscale it to 4K. After clicking on Edit Video, you will see there is also an option to reverse the video, which will fix our problem. Once I clicked render, the video reversed, and this time, the car was moving in the right direction. Now that I'm satisfied, I can download the video by clicking on the icon in the bottom right corner. So we have learned not only how to generate videos using this AI, but also how to edit them and fix any issues. You can do this with any pre-existing videos as well. There are endless possibilities for what you can create using this AI. You don't even have to use real images. You can use AI-generated images based on any text prompt and then convert them into a video. So basically, you can generate a whole video just by typing in a few words. Going through all these free AI tools, it should now be clear to you how they are completely transforming the way we create and interact with content. These tools are making AI accessible to everyone and enabling people to be a lot more creative with their projects, while also saving them time and money. Whether it's ChatGPT being your personal assistant, Google Teachable Machine helping you create your own AI models, or Runway letting you generate videos from scratch, AI is here to stay. The quicker we adapt to it, the more we can hope to benefit. And remember, these models are just what we have today. AI keeps getting better with time. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Which one of these AI tools do you want to try out, and what would you use it for? Let me know in the comments. As always, like, subscribe, and tune into the channel for more amazing content.